In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and reuse a slide master with layouts between decks in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to bring a full set of branded layouts from one presentation into another without rebuilding anything from scratch. Start by opening the presentation where you want to reuse the master. Think of this as your destination deck, the place that needs the new look and layouts. It's important to begin here so the imported design lands in the right file and is ready to use immediately. Next, switch into Slide Master View. Go to the View tab, then choose Slide Master. This is the control room for your presentation's design. At the top of the left pane, you'll see the main master slide. Beneath it are the layouts tied to that master. Any changes at this level affect all slides that use those layouts, which is why it's the perfect place to bring in a complete design system. Now import the Slide Master from the other deck. In the Slide Master tab, click Insert, choose Slide Master, then select Browse and pick the source presentation. PowerPoint will add that master, along with all its layouts, to your destination deck. You'll see the new set appear at the bottom of the thumbnails pane. This doesn't change your existing slides yet. It simply makes the new designs available. If you notice similar or duplicate masters, don't worry. Multiple masters can coexist, and you can decide which layouts to use on a slide-by-slide basis. When you're done importing, close Slide Master View. This returns you to Normal View, where you can start applying the new layouts to your actual slides. To use the imported designs, go to the Home tab, click Layout, and choose from the layouts that came in with the master you just added. You'll recognize them by their names and thumbnails. Apply the most appropriate layout to each slide so your content snaps into the correct placeholders and inherits the intended fonts, colors, and spacing. If something looks off, remember that layouts control where content goes, while theme fonts and colors are defined by the master you imported. It may take a moment to match the right layout to each type of content, but once you do, your deck will look consistent and on-brand. That's it. You opened the destination deck, went into Slide Master View, imported a master from another presentation, closed the master view, and applied the imported layouts. This workflow keeps your design consistent and saves a ton of time across multiple presentations.